Hi, I'm Steve Taylor, Director of Marketing at Linaro, catching up with UBM at the ARM Technical Symposium in Paris. Over the last 18 months since Linaro was founded, we focused very much on developing our engineering organisation. So we now have about 120 engineers working in 91 locations around the world. And the proof of what we've been doing has been coming out over the weeks since the latest version of Linux kernel has been released, where you can see that not only is our contribution to the kernel going up, but we're also doing what we were founded to do, which is consolidating code. And so actually the size of the code base has remained flat on what it was before. The most recent things we've been doing have been around Ice Cream Sandwich, and so we now have Ice Cream Sandwich running on our member boards from ST Ericsson, from TI, from Samsung, and we're also working on things for Freescale and their IMX53 board. Other things, obviously we do a lot with Ubuntu, and so for the next version of Ubuntu, the Linaro kernel will be a key part of that, and we're expecting to see that come out when they release later, I think this month.
This month?
This month or early next month. Early next month. Yes, so it should be 12.04 or... Yes.
And the organisation is building?
So we're obviously focused on building the engineering group. We're still recruiting engineers. We're expecting to have new members joining us. Those new members will bring new demands, and then we'll be building the staff to service those.
How many members have you got at the moment?
So we currently have 6 members, ARM and IBM, plus ST Ericsson, Samsung, TI and Freescale.
And you're expecting more to join immediately, or?
In the next few months. As we go into new financial years and budgets are released, we expect to sign up.
And then do those companies also send delegates to you to work as well as? So
the way we're funded is the members provide some money, but then they also provide engineers. So of our 120 engineers, a good half of them are actually seconded or assigned by the member companies. And we're split into working groups that specialise on the toolchain, on the kernel, on power management, and graphics and multimedia. And then we also have landing teams specifically for each member, so that when our technical steering committee meet to decide what Linaro is working on, we're obviously providing most of our resources to solve common problems. And then for problems specific to member silicon, they may ask their landing teams to work on that.
So how many staff you have at the moment, or how many people working?
So we're about 127 people, and we reckon in about 91 locations.
Okay. And by the end of 2012, will that reach 200?
Currently, George Gray, our CEO, is predicting that we may be up to about 200 at the end of 2012.